What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Wanted to do a quick video. I'm going to try to get this one under 5 minutes. We're going to talk about the one SPAC I bought yesterday, added on a little bit today. And it's one you've probably heard of. If you've been on YouTube for any amount of time at all, you've heard somebody promote this. And recently it's been the male pattern baldness. So see if you can guess it. It's, I forget the rapper that was doing it too. But you got to take this stuff before you lose your hair. It helps to keep your hair as you get old. Before that, they promoted the magic blue pill. And I forget what else they promote. But they are we'll get into the medical field, I guess. But it's for simple stuff. So, as you know, right now, it's the company Hims and Hers. So you've heard all the YouTubers talk about it, forhims.com. I like it. I kept hearing about it, and then I found out they're actually going public through a reverse merger, through a SPAC. So Oaktree Acquisition Corp, what I got right here, they're the ones set to take this company public. Now, there's a lot that can go into this. I don't care about the fundamental side just yet. Until it has the market cap of Ford, I don't think it's going to hang out at these price levels. I think the hype's going to come in. I think once people realize, I know that company, I recognize that company, I think they are going to be like the Amazon of, I don't want to say CVS, the quick visits. As far as going to the hospital for, if you want to go to the doctor for an STD, or you're losing your hair, or the magic blue pill because you're old, or just want to have a good time. I don't know. You could save all that instead of going to the doctor, having that conversation with them, getting all the tests and all that, and reach out to these guys. And it's a lot faster. It's still, the doctor side of things. They're the technology side of things. So I like where it's going, and I'll worry about the fundamentals later. I think right now it's just going up as far as this goes. So I wanted to get in early. I did add on a little bit today at 17.25. I was kind of watching this level right here. We got the breakout, and then yesterday it came back down and retested it. So that was actually my original entry on this because I wanted to see just where the hype was going, if it was going to wear out and die out, or if we're just going for it. So getting above that was my move. Going forward, all we did today was we kind of gapped up, kind of hung out, came back down. Anything below this, and we're probably going to drop down to that zone again, at which probably end up buying some more. So, again, wanted to at least bring this to you guys' attention. I know SPACs are super popular right now. We talked about a couple on here, the IPO line, through the whole alphabet. And there's been a lot this last, I guess 2020, and now going to 2021, nothing's changed. We got a whole crew of these things. So wanted to bring it to your attention. This is the one I plan on having for a while. Until I see some crazy hype, I'll continue to trail this. If we get any more green days, my stop probably will be 17.35, and at that point, I'll just let it roll. I'll give it some time, trail it on the daily, hopefully, so it would need a significant pullback to actually tag me out. And for now, I'm going to play this one by ear. As long as there's more green candles than red, I'm going to stay in it. As long as it keeps going up, so will my account. So again, short, sweet, to the point. That's the SPAC. Again, it is ticker OAC, Oaktree Acquisition, taking the company Hims and Hers public. This is not sponsored by them, but if they ever wanted to reach out, I could talk some bald guys, or not bald guys yet. Let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tesla Tuesday. That'll be an interesting one. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and I will see you tomorrow. We're going to talk about Tesla and can it move the market.